So today we are going to do a one-pot curry dish. So usually people get a little bit intimidated making curries. So this makes it a little bit easier because all the ingredients goes in the pot. And we are just going to braise it for about an hour or so. We start with some chopped onion, garlic, there's some chili powder, there's coriander, cumin, turmeric, a little bit of nutmeg, cinnamon sticks, cloves, cardamom, and some tomato paste. If you can't find whole cloves or cardamom, you can always use the powder. And there's chicken stock, and the chicken we did break down earlier. So we're going to start with the chicken. Just for this video, I am going to use some of the brush as well. And we're going to put about 2 cups of chicken stock. And again, the onions and garlic, it's for your liking. I'm going to put about 4 tablespoons. And garlic, about 2 teaspoons. Chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons. If you do like it spicier, you can always add more. Coriander, 1 teaspoon. Cumin, 1 teaspoon. Turmeric, you're gonna add about 1/2 teaspoon. Nutmeg, about 1/4 teaspoon. And about 1/2 stick of cinnamon. Cloves, about 4 pods. Same with the cardamom. And I'm gonna add some tomato paste, about a tablespoon. And turn the heat on really low. And mix all these ingredients together in the pot. So in really low heat, just bring it to a boil, and then we'll put it in the oven after. So the chicken's done after about 2 hours in the oven, and you can see it's reduced, all the liquid's gone down. And to finish up, you can add either coconut milk or sour cream or whatever you have for dairy that you need to use up. You can even use milk if you have to. So I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of sour cream. It's important to check the salt at this point as well, because you might need to add more. And if you need more spice to it, you can always add more spice as well with chili flakes or even black pepper. So we are ready to plate the curry chicken. So this is the one-pot curry dish we did, and you can serve this with rice or naan bread if you prefer. And I've served some sour cream, tomatoes, and cilantro with it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.